Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Bitcoin having a recovery. I just woke up, and MCRT pumping again, coming back towards the 2 cents. We got ranked number one on PancakeSwap for volume yesterday. The first token, number one spot on PancakeSwap, even beating Cake, the token of PancakeSwap yesterday, which is incredible news. Join 77,000 people. Smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Bitcoin is holding that line exactly as I said, which is beautiful. Now we need to get a really big push here to stay bullish. If we break down here, it's not going to be beautiful. The trade is still open. If you took that trade, you're in the profits. Move your stop loss into profits, which is beautiful. We're still in this channel here. If we can get a bounce off this 21,500 towards that 25,000, it'll be very good news for Bitcoin. On the daily, we're still oversold. On the 4-hourly, we're a little bit overbought now without much movement, which is scary actually. It's not a good sign. On the hourly, we're oversold heading up. On the 15 minutes, on the hourly, it looks like that was a double bottom down here, which is beautiful. One double bottom here. So if we can get a follow through, and we're kind of bull flagging a little bit, if we can get a follow through, it would be amazing. I would still take a long on Bitcoin here. Wait till the pullback, because on the 4-hourly, that's the position I would take if you haven't taken a trade on Bitcoin. And then you could take some mega trade, going all the way, if you want, all the way to the top. Again, if this is really the bottom, and we're catching the bottom here of this giant descending triangle, this one here, it will be a huge potential. This is a giant descending triangle. They build pressure, and break to the upside once it breaks out. And this started on November 11th, the downtrend, and that was the time to sell at 69,000 up here. Down here is not the time to be selling. Down here is the time to be acquiring, in my opinion. You always have to do your own due diligence. This is the trade that I'll take, and it's a massive one. It's risking $458 to make listen to this carefully, risking $458 to make $54,000, 228 unleveraged. With 10x leverage, that'll be $540,000 of profits. Opening the trade at 21,333, stop loss at 20,875, and the take profit at 75,500. That's the trade that I would take for the long term here on Bitcoin. Let's go closer in the short term. In the short term, it can pull back a little bit. But I would actually be going long here. But we do need to get a really strong bounce here and continuation to remain bullish on Bitcoin. Magiccraft doesn't care what Bitcoin's been doing, which is incredible. It's sitting at just under 2 cents. Amazing. It's ranked 521 now. We're on Ethereum chain, on BNB Phantom, and now Solana chain. We're CERTIC audited. Market cap 28 million, up 4% today. Which is beautiful. Volume 2.5 million. And look at the chart for Magiccraft. Even while Bitcoin's pulling down, this is the chart on yesterday. This is the 7-day chart. Magiccraft building a lot of volume and a lot of pressure here, and this is the monthly chart. Look at that. While Bitcoin's been dropping, Magiccraft has been going up almost 1,100%, up 5% today, up 4% against Bitcoin, 4% against Ethereum, while Bitcoin and that have been dropping, which is incredible. Now I'm going to show you some amazing news. This is Magiccraft Twitter now. Magiccraft Twitter has around 94,400 followers. This is the trailer. You can watch the trailer for Magiccraft, the in-game footage, the real in-game footage. And this is something very important. Most traded tokens on PancakeSwap by 24-hour volume. Magiccraft came first, then PancakeSwap second, then Stargate Finance third. Look at that. Magiccraft was the first most traded based off volume on PancakeSwap, beating all the others, which is incredible news. A really big award to beat PancakeSwap on its own swap. This is me and Dr. Javan playing the game, versing each other. Me on iOS, him on Android. It's an incredibly fun game. We'll have more. Magiccraft still coming first for metaverse projects for the last 7 days out of all cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. Now that we're verified, we're coming first, 122% up in the last 7 days, beating all other metaverse projects, which is very incredible news. First on DEX Tools. Magiccraft is first on DEX Tools. Just a lot of different awards that we've been winning lately for Magiccraft, which is incredible. Big congratulations. And up 5% now. Now it's just fluctuating around 18 cents. And you can get it on PancakeSwap right now. On PancakeSwap, one Ethereum used to get you MCRT. So on PancakeSwap, you can buy it there. One Ethereum still gets you 87,000 MCRT. One Ethereum gets you 87,000 MCRT, and when we go USDT, 1,000 USDT, if you followed my videos from the last month, used to get you 580,000 MCRT. 1,000 USD get you 580,000 MCRT. 1 month later, 1,000 USDT only gets you 54,000 MCRT. It went up 10 times, everyone, in the last month. While you've been buying Bitcoin, Solana, BNB, Magiccraft has gone up 10x. Now, to put that in perspective, that is the equivalent of Ethereum going to $20,000 this last month, or the equivalent of Bitcoin going to $200,000 this last month, or the equivalent of Solana going to $400 this month, or the equivalent of BNB going to $3,000 this month. So really understand that Magiccraft is still such a low market. So the market cap on Magiccraft is still only 28 million. And to put that in comparison, when you're talking about other cryptocurrencies, so look at Ethereum, its market cap is 196 billion. So for it to move to double, for Ethereum to double, it needs to go for $200 billion up, 400 billion, for it to go from 2,000 to 4,000. MCRT went up 10x in the last month, and this is like across the board. So if we check out, let's look at some other ones. I want to keep really showing you how important this is, because while you're buying other tokens, so Solana to go 10x would have to be $360, but to also go 10x, it's currently at 12.6 billion. To go 10x, it has to go to 120 billion. So that's why Magiccraft is so powerful, because Magiccraft right now, to go 10x, only has to go to 280 million, where the others have to go up hundreds of billions of dollars. And in the last month, it's gone up 11x in the last month, 11 times your money. So 1,000 is now 11,000, $10,000 now $110,000, $1 million now 11 million. So big congratulations to all of you. That's what's been happening. And the Magiccraft Twitter, Telegram, up to 44,000 members. Lots of people celebrating in here. Magiccraft ranked first on beating even PancakeSwap on its own platform, which is incredible. Join us all in here. The community is so strong. This is just the last few minutes of chats inside the community, so you can see everyone just talking together and celebrating, and amazing people in there. So that's what's happening on Magiccraft. Let's look at MCRT on the charts. It's MCRT on PancakeSwap. Building a lot of pressure here. It's bull flagging. It's also making this is my own token. I need to give you have to do your own due diligence. I'm the founder of this project. Chart looking very strong and building pressure here for a big movements up. But I'm the founder of this project. Let's look at Ethereum. But keep that in mind. My goal is to make it into the top 10 market cap. Currently, Magiccraft is ranked 521, which is incredible because it's really climbing the ranks very quickly. Now 521, back up 5% now, 4% against Bitcoin, 4% against Ethereum. Our goal is to get in the top 10 market caps, and it's having the volume of some of the biggest tokens in the world. Like, watch this. When we go to cryptocurrencies, coin market cap, we look at all cryptocurrencies and we go metaverse, and we click the last 24 hours, last 7 days. Magiccraft is coming first out of all metaverse tokens, beating Monster Infinity, Aavegotchi, Gamium, Atari, D-Space, Open World. Magiccraft is coming first out of all of them. Current market cap only 28 million, which is incredible. Still ranked 520. So to catch up to the bigger players in the space, Magiccraft still has massive gains to make. To catch up to, for example, Axie Infinity, 1.5 billion, it still has more than 50 times to go, and we're going to beat it because the gameplay for Magiccraft is incredible. And don't forget, we also have staking on Magiccraft. Right now, look at app.magiccraft.io. You can stake your tokens locked in the staking protocol. There's 423 million tokens locked. You can lock it for different periods and different staking periods and different rewards, which is beautiful. Let's look at the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies now. Total market cap of all cryptos, just sitting under 1 trillion right now. We fulfilled the rising wedge. It actually fulfilled now, and it's on that support. Here it's looking good to go long, actually. On the daily, oversold. On the 4 hourly, overbought. On the hourly, oversold. This could be the time to actually accumulate, because the rising wedge played out and we came exactly to that support at 957 billion that I talked about. I would be going long here. in just my opinion, you have to always do your own due diligence. That's what's happening on Magiccraft. In 2016, you missed Ethereum, you missed ADA, you missed BNB, you missed Link. They're already in the hundreds of billions or 10 billion plus range. You missed DOT, you missed Shiba. Don't miss MCRT. Pay attention to it, everyone. I really want my audience to pay attention to this. Magiccraft is first on DEX Tools, coming hot 1 on DEX Tools, and just there's a chance to win 3 epic NFTs from the Magiccraft collection. And don't forget, what's also important, we still have the campaign going. Many influencers are posting about Magiccraft now. We're going to be listing on a lot of the biggest exchanges in the world upcoming, which is amazing. Already a lot of them confirmed. And to go into the beta test, so right now we're having closed in-house in-company testing. To go into the public beta, so the closed beta for the public, you need to either have 1 million MCRT, which is now around $20,000 US. It used to be $2,000 US. Now it's 1 month ago it was $2,000 US. Now it's $20,000. Or you need to have 1 Genesis NFT to be in the closed beta. The Genesis NFTs are 0.75 BNB still to mint, and there's 1 Tesla hidden inside the NFTs. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.